Yo, no, welcome sa channel namin, Chubby Bikers. O mga ka-chubbies, happy Valentine's Day sa inyong lahat. Sa lahat na nagmamahalan ngayon sa buong mundo, happy Valentine's sa inyo. At happy birthday din sa aking ex. Sa aking mahal na asawa, birthday niya ngayon. Happy birthday sa iyo, Mama. You know, tatago eh.
Thank you.
Kaya yun, happy birthday. Mga chubby, share ko na sa inyo yung naging dahil Feb 14 ngayon hindi kami lumabas ngayon, pero kahapon lumabas kami, nilibre kami ng asawa ko sa pa-birthday niya sa amin. Birthday niya, tapos siya pala libre, no. Pumunta kami sa Ocean Park, Manila. Maganda pala yung lugar na yun. I-share ko sa inyo yung mga nakita namin doon sa napunta namin kahapon. Tara! Yun mga ka-chubby, nandito kami sa Ocean Park. Napakalaki ng buhaya dito eh. Ang alam kong buhaya nasa lang di ba? Sila lang yung mga buhaya dun eh. Ayan, meron din, dapat dito sila ilagay. Kasama nitong tunay na buhaya na to. Ang laki.
Nagbiblink sa kanila eh. Kumamot din yan. Kumamot din.
Alam mo ba anak yung bibig niyan? Gaganda ng mga koi ba to? Koi ata to eh. Gutom na sila eh oh. Lumalapit sila, lumalapit. So mga ka-chubby oh. Yung buhaya lumangoy na oh. Laki. Napakalaking buhaya nito. Pero may mas malaking buhaya nandun sa mga alam nyo na kung nasan sila. Lakit. Baka ka-chubby ito yung buhaya. Yun naglalalagoy show. Ang maganda dito, pwede ka pumunta doon sa ibaba para masilip na siya. Ito, meron kang pwedeng pagpuntahan dito eh.
Video. Ayan.
Ayan mga ka-chubby, napakalaki. Oh, kumagat.
May kinain. Yung mga isda, maliliit.
Pagkain niya pala yun eh. Ayan, laki mga ka-chubby. White din. Ayan mga ka-chubby, ayun.
Hi! Hello!
Laki. Kasi first time namin ito baka close encounter sa itong kalaking buhay. Yan no? Yan ang mga itsura ng mga buhaya dun sa alam niyo na kung nasaan. Alam niyo na kung sino sila. Ayan na, yung mga yung mga chinador.
Paano ka picture ka talaga?
Chinador.
Oh! Dali, sandali.
Laki. Baby, di ba gusto mo ng duck? Ayan.
What is that? And what is that?
Pelican ata yan eh. No, Ostort. Anong pangalan? Ano nakasulat eh? Kung hindi pelican, Ostort. Maiputan tayo nito, yari. Ayun, baby, oh, inakay, oh. Ayan, oh. Meron siyang baby dun, oh. Ayan. Inakay, ayan, oh. Ito, oh, inakay. Anak niya yan, anak. Para kami pupunta sa ibang mga portal, eh. Uy! Galing, ah. Mga rainforest. Ano to mga Rufus Hornbill? Yung tawag dyan sa ibon dyan.
Wait, I swear I saw something. This is low.
Anong pangalan ng mga ano na to? Ibon? Kaya tinitingin sa akin, ma'am. Wala, tinitingnan niya ako. Wala pumupost. Posing. Hello, boss. Encounter talaga sa mga ibon, no? Hindi sila natatakot sa tao, eh. Para sanay sila magpa-picture, eh.
Hi.
Ah, boss, kamusta? Ah, umuposing pa siya, oh. Tingin-tingin pa siya. Ito, ano, ginising niya daw siya, oh. La. Yan, amunat.
Gusto talaga mag-picturean.
Oh, gusto niya lang pa-picture, eh, oh. Laki, oh. Ito yata yung hammerhead, eh. Ano? Ito, gar. Meron ako nito dati. Gar. Alligator gar yata tayo. Ayun, oh. Mga arawana, oh. Yung black arawana. Ito mga katsabi, oh. Mga katsabi, nakakita ka ng black arawana. Ang ganda, oh. Laki. Ay, nawala na. Ayan, oh, mga katsabi.
Anak, shark.
Ito, black arawana, oh. Ay, nakakala natin ng araw.
Oh, ano tawag sa akin eh? Shark.
Ayan, oh. Yan, mga katsabi, oh. Black arawana, oh. Ito, gar. Ayan, gar. Tapos, pako. Black pako. Pako yan, pako. Ito, gurami. Yan, gurami. Yan, cichlid yan. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong ano na cichlid, eh. Laki.
Malaki yung isda.
Laki kasi ng ano, eh. Ito.
Ano po dali?
Gar. Alligator gar. Tama ba ako? Ito pala yung alligator gar. Hindi peacock yan.
Ano ba?
Ayan, ang pangalan. Ano to? Hindi, mallard duck, eh. Iba tawag dyan, eh.
Hindi, duck yun. Iba
Oh,
yan.
ito. Ito, mga kachabi, anong tawag kaya sa ibon na to? Malaki, oh.
Pika.
Ay!
Not a pika. Pika yan.
Peacock ba yan? Ba't wala yung buntot?
Ayun naman ito sa ba?
Asan? Hindi, malaki yun. Tsaka makulay.
Bibigyan.
Ito, sa mga mahihilig ng balot, ayan, oh. Mallard duck daw ang tawag, mallard duck.
Ikaw, sir, gusto mo mag-solo, sir?
Okay lang.
Touch mo, ate, tinan mo. Tinan niyo,
Touch
touch
mo
niyo
daw,
po.
touch mo.
Sobrang smooth niyan. Ang
Hey,
dulas.
di ba yan mga...
Good condition kasi yan. Yung pagkain niya kasi beef, fresh beef.
Beef?
Horse meat, oxford kasi high protein po yan. Eh, makita niyo sa kanya na pinapakain siya ng high protein. Yung ilong niya po, tsaka yung paa niya, dilaw. Tapos yung itlog na dilaw, hinahaluan ko pa yun. Kung hindi yun ang pagkain niya, yung dagang costa, ma'am. Tapos isda, rotation niya araw-araw. Yung tinatawag na motang lawin.
Tatanglawin, no? Si Kuya Kim.
Kuya.
Hello, nakita na ako.
Ako rin. Oh, ito. Ay, may kinuwang bato. Ayun o, nag-dive ulit.
Hello.
Ayun o. May kinuha siyang ano eh, parang bunga.
Creatures to introduce to you. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn more about these incredible reptiles as we bring them out for a closer look. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of reptiles. So guys, today I have with me a creature that just like a living relic of the age of dinosaurs, the green iguana. Scientific name is iguana iguana. They are a common variation of the green iguana with red body, green belly, rough skins and spines covering their back. Or bill. Scientific name is Boceros hydrocolax. So everyone say hi to Billy. Hi Billy. Endemic to the Philippines. This bird boasts vibrant feathers and a glossy black bodies adorned with red, orange, and yellow hoods. Omnivores. They devour fruits, insects, reptiles, even small mammals with their oversized curvings, showcasing their survival prowess, exceptional flyers, and they travel long distances for sustenance and exhibit remarkable familial devotion, often spending their lives together. As a forest gardener, they play a vital role in seed the fall python.
O yun o.
Scientific name is Python regius, also known the royal python. This python species is native to West and Central Africa. Friends or blinded. Once again, our ball python is Sahara with trainer Bendy.
Mga ka-chubby, first time ko
So
nakakakas.
guys, thank you for joining us today on this incredible journey to discover the
Oh, yan. Thank you, Robby. Mami, gusto ko magkabali, yo. Ito lang mabukasan. Steak? Ito si Cheesecake. Cheesecake?
Yes po.
Si Cheesecake. Hi,
Ano yung tawag dyan,
Cheesecake.
Burmese python?
Ayun na, ayun na.
Ang lakas niya, oh. Punto ko siya.
Baka may malansa ka sa katawan, patay ka.
Oh, hindi.
Oo.
Okay na, kuya. Oh, di ba? Ba't ang bait niya dyan? Ang bait niya kay Ish. Hindi siya pumupunta. Ba't ako? Magagalit siya sa akin. Sige.
Family mo na po, solo.
Ay, paano? Tika lang, kuya.
Lagi na lang po niya.
Yan.
Paulo.
Daddy,
Ano?
Sige po,
picture tayo.
Ano?
Sama si Owl. Sama si Owl.
Hindi, binibidyo kasi. Yung mga ka-chubby, oh. Nakakita ako ng flamingo, magiging bagong attraction nila dito. Yan. Yung nga lang gawa sa karton. Flamingong gawa sa karton. Ito seal.
Bilis kasi.
Seal mga ka-chubby. Ayan, oh. Hello, hello, hello. Ayan, oh.
Akala mo naririnig tayo.
Ayan, oh.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello.
Babasahin tayo niyan.
Oh. maganda nga to kaysa doon sa digital.
Oo naman.
Malamang. Ipapakitang gilat.
Oo. Nagpapapansin.
Oh, di ba?
Oh baby, susumakay? Rides?
Oh, like yan.
Saan tayo?
Pwede tayo dun yun. World of Creepy Crawlers.
Oh, mga gagamba, ganun. Ito, ano to?
Ocean Park na. Yung Oceanarium. Dito muna tayo?
Diyan na tayo. Ha?
Arwana ba yan?
Hindi, Arapaima.
Arapay na. Ayun, may Arwana. Ito,
Ayan,
Arwana, di ba?
Oh, Arawana yan.
Ayun, oh.
Yung gold ata to. Ito mga yan, Arapaima yan, Arapaima. Wala kayo. Silver, mga silver to. O kaya Malaysian. Ito, mga kachabi. Lalaking Arapaima.
Ayun yung elephant nation.
Oo, yun nga to. Ito angel to. What? Black Paco. Gurami. Albino hammerhead. Laki. Lalaki ba? Ito mga karpa, mga kachabi. Oh. Baby. Parang ano, parang piranha. Parang red belly piranha. Pero hindi, tetra lang.
But I wouldn't be scared if I would see one in the wall. Not scared, but I would be like stay there and stay here.
Why are they stuck in the ground? What is this? Why are they stuck in the ground? What is this? Why are they stuck in the ground? They're wormfish. What type of fish is this? This is even a swordfish. A swordfish. Oh, look. Oh, it looks. Over there is here. Wow. Over here. There's a lot. Oh, they're so fast. So fast. I see shells.
Namamatay yun eh. Baka kumukuha lang sila ng kumukuha ng bago.
在干嘛？为什么会吃这个？
那个是海草，
啊，海草都死掉了。
海草就死掉啊，海草活的时候就这样，就海带啊，你要吃海苔就从这种出来，然后晒干。
死掉了。我要回到那边，妈妈，我要回到。
先吃到海藻，给我，给我。
Ang laki nito aquarium nito mga chubby, ang laki niyan. Siguro 20 feet yan. Oh, hindi ko lang kung anong isda ito mga chubby, pero ang laki. Ang lalaki mo. Ayan, lalayo ako. Ang laki. Ito, ang laki niya.
I think next
Giant trevally. Ano pala yan? Puffer fish. Ito. Ayun, moray eel, oh.
yeah, they're attracted to the
Ang laki, oh. Ito mga chubby, oh. Ganda. Wala na yung shark, ano? Dati merong shark. Ito, laki. Laki nung ano. Stingray ba yan? Stingray yan, ano? Namamatay kasi yung pating eh, pagka ano, masyadong maliit yung Ito, malupit na mga isda mga kachabi. Ito, mga exotic, tinatawag. Yang. Diba? Hindi nila kailangan ng tubig, mga kachabi. Exotic talaga yan. Shark. May pangalan pa sa gilid ng pating dito. Milkfish, tinatawag. Kaya sa atin ay ito ay bangus. Ito, mga bangus. Bangus ba yun? Parang barakuda yun. Nakakasabi yun ba yun? Barakuda ba to?
It looks like a whale.
Parang barakuda. Shark.
Shark yun?
Yeah. Ito, black tip shark yan mga kachabi. White tip. Shark na yun yung maliliit na.
Yun sa tubig, shark din mo?
Ayan mga kachabi, oh. White tip shark. Ayun o, yung sa likod. Ayan, white tip shark yan. Ito, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa pating na to eh, pero ito yata yung ito, green shark ba yan? Tawag dyan. Kasi nandiyan lang lagi sila sa ilalim. Nagpapahinga. Ay, hindi, white tip pala to. Mga white tip shark pala to mga chabi. Nagpapahinga sila. Yan, black tip yan ma. Black tip shark yan. Yan. Baby yan, black tip yan. Black tip shark yan. Oh. Yun, white tip yung mga nagpapahinga sa baba. White tip yan. Yan. Ay, mga pampano. Wala, patay ka dyan, kakainin ka dyan. Malililayo ka dyan.
Look at the camera.
Higupin lang po nila.
Ah, hinihigop.
Wala silang ipit, sir.
Ah, okay.
Shark, pag i-drop niyo po sa bunganga po nila. Doon po mismo sa akin.
Bigyan mo na. Sisira na ng ulo yun. Ano nangyari doon?
Sa baba.
Hindi na, ako na.
Pwede rin po kayo mga.
Ito laki oh, laking ano.
May sticker, isubuhan niyo naman.
Ay, sayang.
Hindi mo, laki oh, ito laki oh.
Pakita mamaya para mamaya.
Ay, laki.
Ang galing ano, hinihigop.
Pwede ba, makawakan niyo.
Ay, yung pala yung
Magaspang no, yung balat. Parang ano, sunfish.
Baby Shark feeding! Hi ma'am, Stingray and Baby Shark feeding ma'am. Yung entire Baby Shark is feeding.
Yan baby, hawakan mo. Ang gaspang yan eh. Parang sandpaper. Wala na pagkain.
Smile, smile. Hi. Dano. Okay.
Ate ng West Philippine Sea mga kachabi. Ito mga kachabi yung lumalaban para sa karagatan ng Pilipinas. sa West Philippine Sea. Yan. Yan, oh. Yan ang Philippine Coast Guard, di ba? Kaya dapat suportahan natin sila. Tanging silang lumalaban para sa atin. Philippine Coast Guard. Ito mga kachabi. Ito, may penguin kami nakita dito. Penguin. Ayun, oh. Ito lumalangoy mga kachabi. Sana, ang bilis ah. Ang bilis naman lumangoy nun. Ayun yung penguin, oh. Pwede ka pala pumasok doon eh, oh.
What? 100 pesos. Yeah, money.
Dito nga lang yan. 700 pesos, anak. Ang dami natin makakain nun.
Ang mahal.
Mahal nun.
Libreng ano, may libreng 8 hour na picture.
Isa naglalakad eh, oh. Wala.
Ay, may linya. Ay, may linya. Kaya pala na siya.
Uy, 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 uy. Uy.
Dito ka lang.
Dito ka lang, anak. Dito siya naglalaro eh. Ayun, naglalaro, oh. Ito mga kachabi yung naglalaro, oh. Sa penguin, oh. Yun, oh. Ano ba yan? Ayaw pakita. Uy. Uy. Ito, siraan na ulo. Uy. Ito. O ano, nahilo ka, ano? Ah, ikot ka kasi na ikot eh. Oo, yun, nangati ka tuloy. Ano? Ayun, oh, napaka-picture talaga eh, oh. Sprong-plong din ba? Hindi niya alam kung lalangoy siya eh. Yan na, lalangoy na. Ano ba? Talon. Lalangoy ba ako o hindi? Ah, ayun, tumalon. Ayun na, tumalon na. Galing niyang mag-swim. Galing siya mag-swim. Uy, yun, penguin din ako. Ikot ang ikot, yung hihilo. Ay, penguin ako. Cockroach? Ipis?
Ipis. Yeah.
Ay, ipis.
Ah. Ano? Ipis, oh.
Ayan. Tingin. Snapping turtle, oh. Snapping turtle. Pareho lang nung nasa harap. Hello. Red knee tarantula. Ito ano to? Tarantado? Brazilian salmon, pink. Oh mama, salmon pala to eh. Ay.
Attack?
Oh, here.
What's that?
It's that. Oh, say excuse me.
What is that? It's a spider.
Green tree python.
Dad, can you carry me? I can't sleep.
O yung kanina dun gumagalaw din eh. Yung video ko dun. Ito yung nasa bahay anak eh, sa kisame natin. Oh! Laki nito.
Popping him. Popping him.
Ang laki oh.
Taunting him.
By the way, my name is Davey, and I would like to meet my T9 friends. Together with the trainers, one of the time. On your left side is the youngest female South American sea lion that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the smartest. Ooh, confident. Her name is Jenny. Together with her Jerry, say hi. While on the other side is the eldest female, South American sea lion that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the sexiest. Sexy tiger, her name is Sandra. Together with her Jenny, say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they are called sea or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do you have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? Well, the answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wings. See those? The term Philippines may also be translated as swift-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, ladies? And you know, they often just take like a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and sea lion is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they also turn their back flippers something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And the confinement right there, Orsina brand. And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible band. How flexible? Won't that be that? So flexible, right? How about Orsina brand? As you can see, their bodies covered with a tinkle of short short hair, and the whiskers have the feline sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. Like, wow, hey! And they also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibrations from play in the water. And their small external ears signal sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have a keen nine-side but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to the shore. And they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky and now let's talk about their swimming abilities and we start with Yeti the smartest. Sea lions generally cruise around 11 miles per hour using the rolling movement of their front livers, while their back livers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that's a normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Kenny and Peter Jerry. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a first speed up swoop. Ready, time, run. 25 miles per hour. And the shooting across the land of the rudder for 460 yes. Great job, Sandra. Stop there with you. Ooh, nice guy. And another one, cheeseburger. So this is the Victoria of her sea lion. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trained a pair of them to make part of the special operation? Yeah, that's right. They are able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy divers would be envious of. And since cannot be detected by a radar underwater, they are taught to recognize and avoid underwater mines. Alright, ladies, are you ready?
Yes.
Good. Now that's one. Ready? Hop, 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, 2. Now, this time, guys, would you please join our sea lion friends in a salute and because of 3, everybody will salute and make this one loud. Alright, guys, are you ready?
Yes.
No. I can hear you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Good, everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to bird and they call their equipment from the water. Yes, alright, but first, the rings. Alright, ladies, get those rings. And they got it. A lot of applause for sea lion friends. Great job, ladies, with that good friend. And they asking for it. Alright, winners, after the ring, but next we have the ball. So how do you think they get the ball? It's a alright. There's four ladies. Almost there. It's better. And one. Alright. We get everything. The ball's in the rings and the rings in the ball. Now let's move on. Now this time, guys, would you love to see a dance number from our sea lion friends?
Yes.
Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see it dance?
Yes!
Now wiggle eyebrow. Oh, there's the breath. Hold on. Lock her in, all right, ready? Go there. Nice, nice, nice. And up, Let's go, ladies. Go, hands up, boogie, boogie dance. Chicky pom pom, chicky pom pom. The favorite one, the boogie king. Say good boogie. Come on, everybody. Yeah. Keep on rolling. All right, ladies. Show them what you got. And ready, your camera. This is the best part. Steady, yeah?
Wow!
We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at our Calvary and New Conference, South American Sea Lions, Danny and Sandra. And also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember, that's what we do here on land, with the best our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like any marine animals, cannot survive in a tough environment, so they keep our
Ay!
surroundings. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn about this in the oceanary. Always keep in mind that we are the stewards of planet and us. Each one of us must do what we can to protect the soil, all inhabitants, and mother, including ourselves. So we are all very Derek and Yenny, very Johnny and Sandra. And also here at Africa and in Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you will come back and visit again soon. So thank you and have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Say goodbye now to our dear friends. Say goodbye now. Oh, by the way, guys, if you have some souvenir photos with our lovely birds and our sea lions, please approach